Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back here. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Cynthia, and on my channel I do about nursing. I talk about lifestyle vlogging. I don't know, I think I've done vlogging for once anyway. And I do hair videos as well. So today you can see I'm looking very, I don't know how I'm looking, but I don't look very okay, so that's because I'm doing a hair video and I want to review the DYSON hair wrap that I just bought. So if you haven't seen the video of my unboxing video about this DYSON product, make sure you click on the link above so you can have a look on the review I did last week. Okay, so now I would just go ahead to use this on my hair. So mind you, I haven't stretched or haven't blow dried my hair before, so I've been on the natural hair journey for a year and 6 months now. So I transitioned for a while, then I was fully natural. So yeah, but I haven't really blow dried my hair at all. So today I just want to use this product, and you guys are going to be using it with me. Like, you're going to see everything happening from beginning to end, because I don't know how it will turn out. I haven't done it before, and I'm just hoping that this product does it for me nicely. So okay, so here we go. And today I'll just be using the main DYSON hair. This is just the main one. I will be using this one, and then I'll be using that one. So this is the smoothing nozzle, and who remembers this mat, this small mat? So I'll be putting it on the table. Look at that. So this helps to prevent any risk of heat or burning or anything that's gonna happen today. So yeah, pop down on the table, get my hair on it, that's it, and then I'll start removing this on my hair. So guys, I just freshly washed my hair. My hair is a type 4C hair. Sorry, I forgot to mention this. So this is the main, you know, when you're cooking and you're like, this is the main ingredient. So this is the main thing today. This is the Afro comb. So yeah, I think it's a new product. It's just an additional product that's added to the DYSON. So yeah, I just hope it does the job. I'm gonna start by sectioning my hair into two. Just share my hair into two. You all know Afro hair is needs a lot of job, needs a lot of work. So you just have to section. So babes, if you're not sectioning, that means you're doing the wrong thing, and yeah, you're gonna spend much time trying to get your hair properly done. So sectioning does the job. And I'll be starting from this side. So I didn't really detangle my hair in the shower. I just left it this way because I just want the DYSON product to do its job. So I wanted it to be like as raw as this. So I will see how the DYSON works really. So I'm just getting a smaller portion, so I think this will be okay. I'm just gonna run my tangle teaser. So babes, if you don't have this, please don't try to blow dry your hair. I don't know, but if you're afraid of blow drying your hair because of hair loss or damage, just try to get yourself one of these. So it's a heat protectant spray. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a heat protectant spray, and it's as cheap as anything you can imagine. I think I bought this about two of them, £5. So Not bad. So I'll be going ahead to spray this on my hair. Put the spray on. And then get the hair wrap. So this right here is the heat setting, and this right here is the airflow setting. So you try to regulate the airflow from here, that's the intensity. And this right here is where you try to deactivate the heat. So if you want the air to turn to cold air, you do it from there. And this is the on and off. So I'm going to start this now. Oh my god, I mean, say what? This is very nice. I think the air is trying to like move this around my hand, but I'm a strong girl, so you're not going nowhere. Okay, so I will just go ahead to attach this in here. So guys, you know what, like I haven't really seen any blow dryer that's magnetic. This is magnetic, so all you just need is to pop this in, and here we go. Done. So let's go right into stretching and blow drying my hair. At this point, I think I have to detangle my ends very properly, because I don't want the heat damage to be too much. I don't want it to rip my hair off, because I just found that like when it gets to the tip of my hair, it gets stuck. So we don't want heat damage, do we? So yeah. Oh my god, this is nice. Like, I have been so nervous about blow drying my hair because I don't like heat. Like, I'm always so nervous because I think that like I can't even get it to my roots, because I'm very sensitive when it comes to my roots and my body. So but this right here, I can't even feel the heat. Like nothing babes. So I'm just gonna take this off, and I just want to make my hair a bit more stretchy. So I'm just gonna put the smoothing nozzle, and then I will go ahead to use my tangle, one of my brushes, and then I will just so that's it. So I will have to take the brush down here to put some tension on the hair. So this will help and make the hair to be more stretcher. Oh my god, just look at my hair. Look. Oh, oh, oh. I'm loving it, but I still think the ends are not very properly stretched. I haven't really done it very well, you know what I mean? Like, I'm still scared of getting the heat on my scalp, so I'll just run through it again with that one and see how it goes. how long my hair is. I mean, I didn't know my hair was this long, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the whole hair, this whole side, and I will show you. Excited! So I'm done blow drying this side, as you can all see, and I'm about to go to that side. Can you just believe that this hair is the same as this? Oh my god, like shrinkage is so real. So from blow drying this side, I've learned a few things about DYSON. So one of them is it's a very powerful product, it's a very strong one, yeah, but this Afro comb doesn't really stretch it that much. Like, it helps like remove the tangles, and like it helps to stretch it, but not properly stretch, if you know what I mean. So what I did is, after stretching with this one, after blow drying with that one, I use my own white tooth comb or my brush, any of the two. I just go through the hair, like apply the tension method. I don't know if you guys know about the tension method, but it's basically trying to use a brush on your hair and at the same time trying to use the blow dryer. So that's exactly what I did to my hair after I used the afro tooth comb. So I think if you do that way, it helps to stretch the hair a bit more, and also helps to kind of remove the tangles at the end of the hair. So my hair is always tangled at the ends, like my ends out, even after blow drying, like you can still see some tangles there. I mean, I've gone through this a lot of time, and I don't want to damage my hair, so I'm leaving it like that. But you have to make sure you remove the tangles at the end of the hair before you use this one, because it doesn't really remove the tangles, it just gets at the point at that end and then gets stuck. So that's it. But just try to remove the tangles and then go through it, and that's it. I'll just go ahead to do this side. This is it. Oh my god, it's nice. I'm loving it already. So I'm about to finish my hair. So this small portion left here, I just wanted to show you guys how I do the tension method after using the afro comb. So yeah, what do you all think? My hair is blown out, dry, big. So first of all, I will be using my comb to remove the tangles and knots at the end of my hair. And then I will go ahead to use my heat protectant spray. Okay, I don't know, but somehow my spray stops working, so I just had to put it on my hand and then gently squeeze it in the hair. So yeah, my afro comb goes in. That's it. Did you see how fast my hair went straight? Like literally, I think I just did it about 3 times now, and woo, it's already done. Okay. So the tension method I talked about. So I just took up the afro comb, attached the smoothing nozzle, and then I'm gonna go ahead with my comb. So guys, I'm done blow drying my hair and done using the Dyson era. So you know what, like, I love this era because it's not heavy at all. It's not heavy. If it's heavy by now I should be very tired, but it's not heavy. And yeah, that's the end of the video. Just tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about my hair. Do you think it's well stretched? And I like the fact that I can't even feel any of those bumps, because I used to have some bumps, like some curls. My hair, like, it feels bumpy here, but it's not even there anymore. Like, it's very stretched. I don't know if you can see, very stretched. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment on the comment section, don't forget to tell me what you think about the Dyson hair wrap. Just look at that. Let's just see how it is. Look, fabulous. Ooh. Okay, yeah, so just tell me what you think on the comment section about the products, and don't forget to follow me up on Instagram for more hair videos at Cynthia Oluoma. And thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.